stopping. On 270 semi. Hey! Get out of the car! Get out of the car! Huh? You didn't have your seatbelt on, you didn't signal. No. Nah, get out of the car. Get out of the car right now. And you took off after I got behind you and turned my lights on. Hey, let me see your hands. Let me see your hands. I'll kill you tonight. Get out of the car. Now. Get out of the car and get on the ground. Get out of the car and get on the ground. Yeah. You're going to. Yeah.
Trying to find it, and he's not.
Get out of the car.
At this time.
Why? Let me see both of your hands. Both of them. Now get out of the car. Why? You got what? Put it in park and get out of the car. Get out of the car. Hey, don't be reaching down there. Just get out of the car. Arturo 18, I got shots fired. I'm on 270 and northwest out of town. It's going to be a green Cadillac.
Copy. Northwest out of town area in a green, what kind of vehicle?
It's a green Cadillac. Heading northwest out of Woodward.
Vehicle by shots fired. He's northwest, headed northwest out of Woodward, northwest 270. It's got a green Cadillac.
We're on Western, headed back into town. I believe I've been hit in my vest on the left side. Yeah, man, I'm on Western, headed eastbound back into town.
Headed back into town on Western. Out of 34.
Man, I'm going underneath the bridge. I'll be there in a minute.
34, you copy in traffic? Out of 318.
Hey! You get on the ground!
That OHP has fired gunshots at the vehicle and the vehicle is shot back at them. We have no confirmation of this at this time.
Man, I'm on West and I'll be there in a minute.